In today's video, I've got an absolutely awesome method to share with you which anybody can use to earn money online for free. Now, this doesn't require any skills, it doesn't require, sorry, can't even speak, it doesn't require any experience, and it's relatively simple. So please make sure you watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video, you'll know how it works, the process and the steps that you need to go through, and more importantly, how you can make money with this. So I was doing a bit of research for some passive incomes that I'm looking into, and I came across this website over here, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. Now, let me go to the homepage on here so you can see this. So this is called Creative Fabrica. Now, over on here, you will find literally thousands of designers and people who are creating content like this, and they're putting it on the site to sell. You can see on here, look, font collections for $10, and if we come up here, you've got all of these different categories. So you've got fonts, you've got graphics, you've got crafts, embroidery, and lots more. We've also got something called POD, which stands for print on demand. So if I go in here, I'll quickly show you this. And look, print on demand assets. So basically, what would normally happen is you would come over here, and let's just say, if you wanted, let's just go with something a bit better. What's this? A messy bun mom life bundle. So you could come over to this website here and purchase this here for 65 cents, and you can see on here, look, you get a full print on demand license. It's a one-time payment, and you can use the file for print on demand sites for as long as you like. And you can see these are all of the images that are included in here. Okay, so it's pretty cool and straightforward. So that's just one example how you could use this website here to make money. You come over, buy some of these images here, put them onto print on demand items, and sell them essentially. We've also got crafts, so there's lots of stuff happening in here, graphics and fonts. But I said this is a free method, and it absolutely is. So using the link down below, it will take you directly over to this page up here where it says freebies. So if you just click on all freebies, I'll show you this right now. So at this moment in time, there's over 23,000 items which you can get for free, and you don't have to create. I think you do have to create an account. But then all you do is you can just download anything that you want. So you've got lots of stuff in here. Now I've clicked on all, but look at this. So look, print on demand items over here. What is that? Some face mask bits and other bits on here. So you can come through here and get all of these freebies on here. There's hundreds of, well, there's thousands of them in there. Look, free fonts, free graphics, free embroidery. So let's just go on free graphics and have a look at this. Okay, so let's just scroll down. So how could you make money with all of these, these free graphics that you can potentially download? And it would be a little bit easier if I could actually, filter this, via keywords and things like that, but you can't. It's simply a case of scrolling through, seeing something that you like the look of, like this one here, for example. So you would click on here, and it opens up for you, and then you just click on download, and then you can go ahead and literally get access to this here. And you can see all of the people who have added this. Scroll further down, you've got lots of reviews about this, and then it shows you more stuff from the designer. But how do we go ahead and make money? Well, you can do this in a number of ways. So the first thing we spoke about was print on demand, like this over here, for example. So I'll give you an actual real life example. You would come here and you would download this item here. Then you'd go onto a print on demand store, and I'll share with you one of those now. So you can go to Teespring over here. And look, this is just one method. I'll share a number of methods with you. So look, you can sell merch on here, lots more stuff. But basically, you see, let me go to start designing so you can see this on the inside. But you see, look, people are selling these sorts of things on this website here. Your store's been great, okay. Let me go ahead and get rid of that. So I've created a store on here recently because I'm just trialing and testing things. But if I come over here and click on create, and then it takes a second to launch this, and then look, you can go ahead and upload those images that you get for free from here, and you can go ahead and put them onto t-shirts, hoodies, face masks. That's digital products. You've got accessories, you've got lots more stuff, home and other bits. So let's just come up here and we'll go into one. I'll show you how it would work. So we'll click on here, and we'll go in here, and look, you can choose what you put that design on. You've got all of these different t-shirts down here. You've got women's t-shirts, men's, we've got long sleeve and lots more. So you'd come in here and click on, start designing. And you come in here and look, this is the important part. So I mean, literally, you just add the image that you've downloaded. It will go onto here. So that part's pretty simple. Come down here, you can also add additional colors. So you can see we've got white, black, or gray with this option here. So let me just click on black as well. And we'll click on done. So you've got color options, but realistically, if you scroll down here, you just go through here, but this is what you want to take note of. You see here where it says set your price. This is the price that anybody will pay for, this top with the design on. And you can see over here, currently, if you were to sell one, you would earn $10.85. And then it shows you, if you have customers over in the EU, the price and again, the profit. Now this here, you can actually change it. So, if you didn't want to sell this for $30, let's say you wanted to sell it for $24.99, you can see how much money you actually make with this. So it's a pretty straightforward process. And look, you can take any logo, any design. You can even just add text and type in your own text. But just make sure once you're happy with all of this, it's this down here. You don't want to be, spending time doing this and you're not going to be making a lot of money. So that is one option for you, is going ahead and getting these free downloads from over here and putting them onto t-shirts and, hoodies, jumpers, coats, handbags, pillowcases, mugs, phone cases, etc. So you've got lots of stuff on here. Now, if we go to the home page of this website over here, oh no, sorry, I don't want to come here. Go away. I'm going to come over to, let me just go to, I just want to show you this. So if we go to the home page, teespring.com, we'll come over here. I want to give you some tips for doing this because, you could, if you really wanted to, go ahead and, download all of these free images and start putting them on t-shirts. You could also go over to Amazon Merch and you could upload your designs onto there. So you have a t-shirt over on Teespring, you have a t-shirt over on Amazon Merch and many more places. Just Redbubble's another one and lots more different platforms whereby you can create these, passive incomes essentially. And once you've done this, once you've created this and, you're happy with it, you can see there's one of mine. Look, this is one I've been testing on. So if I click on any of these, so let me just go on to this one here. Scroll down, this is how it actually looks. You get a link, so you get a link up here. So then you can share this link. Look, you can share it on Facebook, you can share it on Twitter, you can literally just copy the link, but this is how it would look, okay? And you have it in different sizes, small, medium, large, XL, double XL as well. And that's it basically. And then once you've got one design, you can also add it to, as you see here, all of these different options as well. So it's pretty cool. Now, what I would say with this is, if you are going to print on demand, for example, you don't have to worry about anything. Your job is to get the designs, put them on the items, but then it's about marketing them. And, so what I would say is if you like this method, maybe go into a certain category or a niche. Lots of people go into like this here, it's like pit bulls. So that is a niche. You could go into the pit bull niche, you could go into any niche that you like around this. If we're going to, let's go ahead and have a look at this creator here. Is it showing me? No, it's not showing me their account. Normally, they do. Normally, you can see, look, we've got one over here, look, Thug Life. This is another niche you could go into. So that's one way that you can make money with, that's one way that you can make money with print on demand using this website over here. Another way that you could do this is you could go ahead and get these designs here, and instead of uploading them onto websites like this, you could go over onto, say, Etsy. And again, it's a simple process. Let me just click on accept. You upload onto here digital downloads onto Etsy. So in this example, what you could actually do is you could download, a few of these different printables or whatever. So like this one here, look. This is free. This is Halloween colouring page. So let's go ahead and have a look at this, right? So we'll take this, I'm going to copy this, I'm going to go over to Etsy and let's see if anyone's selling, similar things over on Etsy. So I'm going to paste that into here and scroll down and look, people are doing this method that I'm sharing with you today. So look, what's this? PDF colouring bundle for adults. So 10 PDF pages, they're selling it for £4. They've got 178 feedback. So why is this method, good? And for me, this is probably better than the print on demand method. Is you download a few of these different, colouring bundles from here. Then you put them into, a simple file. You go over to Etsy and you list it like people are doing here, like this, just with the images. and you upload it, and you can see here, look, it's a digital download and it comes in a PDF format. So why is this method great? Well, literally, once you've got all of your listings up on Etsy, it pretty much runs on autopilot for you. You don't have to deal with payment, you don't have to deal with sending it off to anyone, because when they purchase the products, they get it instantly. So the buyer receives the product instantly, and you, the seller, you receive your money instantly as well, minus the Etsy fee. So that's another method that you can use with this website over here. It's literally going ahead and downloading things, bundle them all together, sell them on Etsy, sell them on eBay, sell them on Amazon, Facebook Marketplace. You can sell them wherever you want to. I mean, what we're going over here is, you know, it's not going to take you a lot of time. It's not going to take a lot of effort. However, it will take time and effort, if that makes sense for you. So this website over here, I mean, we've looked at a few different ways you can use this to make money, but I mean, we've looked at print on demand, we've looked at Etsy. You could even, if you wanted to, go ahead and, you know, download a lot of this stuff and then start selling those items over on eBay. I mean, look at this, 20 love patterns. You could actually, again, put this over onto eBay and sell it on there. So that's pretty much today's video. It's using this website over here. I'll drop a link to it below for you, but you go ahead, you sign up, and then just go up to the top where it says freebies, go through all of the freebies and have a look at them, and just, you know, get a bit creative with how you can actually sell these here. You've got print on demand, you've got Etsy. I mean, you could even, if you really wanted to, you know, create your own blog or website and, you know, start sharing content that way. But overall, is it simple? Yes. Is it free? Yes. It's available worldwide, and it's incredibly simple. You just download it and, you know, selling the items really. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.